3883 isn't just any normal number. It has a greater depth to it. 3883 is the robotics team from Park High School in Cottage Grove, Minnesota. Our motto, reaching towards the future bit by bit, guides our drive to reach the community and change the future. We aim to inspire and motivate young people on our team and throughout the community to pursue their interests in STEM. This mindset led the team to host 30 outreach events in 2024, a 50% increase in events from 2023. Since 2022, our team completed 180 event hours and 62 events, which was a 150% increase in events from 2022. We have expanded the presence of STEM to elementary and middle school students through various new and returning events, like Elementary School Discovery Days and Math and Science Night at Altman. We have also visited local libraries to strengthen our relationships and reach a greater audience. Since 2013, we have been sharing first with our local community fairs and began collaborating with neighboring teams. We have also increased our engagement by touring various facilities run by our sponsors. East Metro Collaborative Competition, EMCC, is a collaborative effort with the Royalty Rex, Heirs, and Fighting Calculators to spread first, increase education of STEM, and help it feel approachable to new students and families. Last year, a record of 28 teams visited this off-season event. Our team is dedicated to reaching out to underrepresented groups, trying to spread the importance of STEM with various different communities. Schoolie is a free event that provides food and entertainment during the summer. We have made it a major part of our summer with events at Pullman Elementary and most recently, Newport Elementary. Additionally, we attended Movies with Mo, a free community event with the Heirs. We understand the importance of women in STEM and have hosted local Girl Scout troops to help them get the robotics badge and increase their interest in FIRST and STEM. We recognized that our team's outreach events had not been reaching the Latino community. To address this gap, we collaborated with the Latinx Club at our high school. We also had the opportunity to visit a Spanish-speaking church community and meet Ayuna Nacion to help share the excitement of our robotics. Each unique DataBit member works together to form our team. 3883, from engaging with local schools to presenting to CEOs, our team strives to build a better future bit by bit.